Hello dear viewers, we're also shooting genuine owner car review videos in our channel soon. And if you wish us to shoot your own car review and share your experience in detail along with your overall thoughts and opinion, please drop us an email at CarsIndianReview@gmail.com. You may also comment down the video with your mobile number or email ID and we shall get back to you and capture your review soon. Please note that the owner car review videos are location specific and are limited to Hyderabad currently. Thank you for your love and support as always. Well, that said, let's get started with the video, and if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. This is Sai and welcome to Cars Indian Review channel. In today's video, we're going to see the complete spec sheet of Ford Freestyle Trend 2020 1.2 liter empty petrol version. And this is the side profile of Ford Freestyle Trend. Let's have a look at engine type. This comes with 1.2 liter BS6 3 inline cylinders, while the engine displacement is 1194 cc. Moving on to the power, it gives you a maximum power of 96 PS at 6500 rpm and comes with a torque of 190 Nm at 4250 rpm. While this comes with 5-speed manual transmission. Let's talk about the dimensions now. It gives you a length of 3954 mm and width of 1737 mm and height of 1570 mm. And the fuel type is petrol for this version. The Ford Freestyle comes with an electric power steering. The curb weight lies between 1026 to 1044 kgs, while the wheelbase is 2490 mm. The seating capacity of this vehicle is 5 and it comes with a ground clearance of 190 mm. And the boot space of Ford Freestyle is 257 liters. Here comes the brakes. It comes with front ventilated disc brakes and rear drum brakes. While the fuel tank capacity of this vehicle is 42 liters. The new Ford Freestyle Trend comes with 15 inches steel wheels. It gives you a good mileage of 18.5 km per liter approximately. Here's what you get in terms of colors. You have Canyon Ridge, Smoke Grey, Moon Dash Silver, Diamond White, White Gold and Ruby Red. Now let's move on to the features that we get with Ford Freestyle Trend 2020 variant. In terms of exteriors, here's what you get. You get upper or lower grille mesh black and you get headlamp bezel black, you get body cladding on side and wheel arches, you get body colored outdoor handles, you get body colored exterior mirror and you get a black fog lamp in the front ornamentation, you get B/C pillar black tape and you get turn indicators on outer mirror and you get silver roof rails with silver front and rear skid plates. Let's see what you're getting in interiors. In terms of interiors, you're getting charcoal black interiors, front door scuff plate, you're getting rear seat full fold down, you have adjustable front seat headrest, you have adjustable rear seat headrest, you have fabric seat upholstery, you have parking brake knob which is designed in chrome, and you have lunar grey steering wheel. And I know you're waiting for car infotainment. And in terms of car infotainment, you're getting vehicle connectivity with Ford Pass, you're getting audio with AM or FM, MP3 and microphone, you're getting USB port and you're getting Bluetooth, and you have 4 speakers, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear, and you have steering wheel mounted audio controls. Now let's see what you're getting in instrumentation and lighting cluster. And you're getting a trip computer, you're getting low fuel warning light, you're getting distance to empty indicator, you're getting maintenance warning display indicator, you have water temperature warning indicator, and you have courtesy light delay, you have battery monitor sensor, you have front dome lamp, you have tachometer with gear shift indicator, you have instrument cluster which is 5.8 centimeters, and you have load compartment light. Oh, you're worried about comfort and convenience? Let's see what you're getting in comfort and convenience. You're getting driver and passenger front seat map pockets. You're getting 6-speed variable independent front wipers. You have 12 volts power source outlet in the front, and you have passenger sun visor with vanity mirror. You have power windows for both front and rear. You have driver side power window where you'll have a one touch up and down button. You have a keyless entry, and you have front and rear grab handles with coat hooks. You have driver seat height adjustment. You have power adjusted outer mirror, and you have inner rear view mirror, which is day and night. Oh yes, I didn't miss it. Safety and security is the most important part. Let's see what you're getting in terms of safety. You're getting ABS with EBD, front dual airbags, engine immobilizer, you have front 3-point seat belts, you have rear seat belts, 3-pointer outlet and lap middle, you have belt reminder for both driver and passenger, you have door hazard warning, you have reverse parking sensor, you have speed sensors, auto door locks, and you have perimeter anti-theft alarm, you have high-speed alert system, you have fog lamp in the rear only. And the most important part, the crash test rating. This vehicle scored an NCAP crash test rating of 5 out of 5 stars, which makes this as the safest car in India. Here's what you're waiting for, the ex-showroom price. The ex-showroom price of this vehicle is 6,54,000 and the on-road price is 7,75,675 rupees. Here comes an end to the video, and thank you all for watching. If you like the video, do like, comment and share the video, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. This is your Sai signing off, and I'll catch you in the next video.